Why does your broker give you the RSI, the MACD, and the Bollinger Bands, for free? Do you think they want you to win?
Do you think the casino gives you a map to the vault?
Chaos.
Really? Do you think the casino gives you a map to the vault? Really? Oh my God. In 2025, 90% of retail traders lost money. And guess what? 100% of them were using the same free tools you are using right now. Today, I'm going to show you the lie. The free indicator trap that is slowly bleeding your account dry, and the one tool that actually levels the playing field. By the time your free indicator tells you to buy, the institutions are already selling. You are not a trader to them. You are exit liquidity. They give you these tools because they know exactly how you will react to them. They need someone to buy at the top so they can sell. That someone is you. The hidden cost of free. You think you're saving $50 or $100 a month by not buying premium tools. But let's look at the real cost. Free isn't free. Free cost you $1,450 this month. It cost you your confidence. It cost you your sleep. The most expensive thing in trading isn't a subscription, it's a bad entry based on a free tool designed for the 1980s. Stop trading the past. Start trading the institutional footprint. This is QuantFlow Algo, institutional trap and reversal. It doesn't look at oversold or overbought. It looks at volume, order flow, and traps. Look at this. The free RSI said buy. The herd bought. But my indicator detected a smart money trap forming. It knew banks were accumulating shorts. While the retail traders got stopped out, we rode the wave down with the institutions. This is not magic. It's math. It's analyzing the data banks do not want you to see. It protects your capital by keeping you out of bad trades, and gets you in before the crowd. Trading is a war. You can go into battle with a wooden stick given to you by your enemy, or you can buy a machine gun. The choice is yours. If you are tired of being exit liquidity, click the link below. Check out QuantFlow Algo, institutional trap and reversal. Stop paying with your losses. Start investing in your edge. I'll see you on the inside.